Question ko po for Heaven and Marco. Hello! Hello. Fun question muna. Bakit ang sweet nyo?
Wala, na-miss ko lang.
Evan,
Okay lang ba yun? Pwede lang ba yun? Pwede magtanong, Evan, na-miss mo ba ako? Madali naman yung sagot. Oo, hindi lang eh.
Heaven, no comment.
Kailangan mo ba ng tissue? Sandali.
Bert, ano masasabi mo, Bert? Bert, ano masasabi mo? Ano masasabi mo? Ano masasabi mo?
Pagkalisig eh. Ano na lang,
Oo naman, syempre mamimiss. Hello, ilang years din naman kami magkasama. And, and yes, namiss ko si Marco.
yung question ko talaga is, as a, kayo yung pioneer dito sa book, how do you feel kayong dalawa na, eto na, final chapter na yung story ng book. Kayo yung pioneer, tapos ngayon ending na, anong pakiramdam niya?
Siyempre sad, no? Ako sad ako. Hindi ko alam sa'yo.
Oo naman, syempre. Syempre, sinimulan namin yung university series without knowing na ganito pala siya magiging kalaki. And marami kaming mapapasayang tao. And mag-grow up din with us. And so, feeling ko like masaya and malungkot at the same time. Kasi syempre, ito yung mga kasamahan ko na gusto ko sanang hanggang sa pagtanda, kumbaga, diba? Pero ganun talaga, last book na, kailangan na mag-bye-bye, but grateful na ako yung napili as Luna. And so, yeah.
Okay. Marco, dun sa series nyo, sa first, yung role mo si Calix, and
Yes po.
naghintay siya ng 10 years para kay Luna. Handa ka bang gawin yun in real life?
Listen. I think everyone here knows what happened between us. You know, we're exes and everything. To be quite honest with you, I would like to not put too much pressure onto that topic, just because obviously as exes we had that phase na medyo nagkakainitan kami. So parang ngayon parang mas sobrang okay na kami. As in, walang galit, walang kahit ano. So we're really just, I'm happy being around you. I mean, I don't know, the others seen it. And it's fun to work with you. So work na lang muna tayo, okay lang ba? Hindi, pero I'm really just, I'm happy that at the state that we are now. And let's see wherever it leads. Yeah.
Kay Heaven, yung connect dun sa question, yung role mo si Luna, tapos naghintay si Calix. Ikaw ba handa kang pabalikin yung naghintay sa'yo?
Oo naman. Pero syempre, I mean, 10 years din yun So 10 years na ang dami ng pagkakaiba, kumbaga, yung growth nyo. So, oo, kung pinipili nyo pa rin yung isa't isa after ilang years. And, oo, kung ibang tao na kayo talaga. Like, syempre hindi ka naman pwedeng pumasok ulit ng relationship, kunyari, let's say, second chance. And then, expecting na different yung outcome, di ba? So dapat, by that time, kung magkakaroon kayo ng second chance, dapat nag-grow na talaga kayo and mas mature na kayo, kumbaga. And you choose each other. So,
Pero ano comment mo na sinabi ni Marco na walang pressure, masaya lang?
kasi ayoko naman din may maghintay sa akin. Siyempre gusto ko kung sino man yun, gusto ko, you know, he lived his life or, I mean, di ba? Para he grows din and he's happy living his life, that's fine. Okay lang. Pero if you guys are really meant for each other, I believe na itatadhana rin yun. So, yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
All right, great questions as always. Thank you so much. Now from ABS-CBN, Ana Cerezo.
Hi! Good afternoon. Evening. For Jairus and Nicole, from the beginning nitong series na to, and up to now, how would you describe na yung friendship ninyo? How has it changed?
Big changes, right? Ang laki ng pagbabago. Kasi parang, when we started doing the series, we're just casual, like parang magkatrabaho, nakikita sa work and everything. Pero now, we became close to each other to the point na we understand each other in terms of how we are as a person. So, malaki talaga yung changes namin and we're much comfortable with each other right now. And I think that's important with the whole series na maging komportable kami sa isa't isa. And yeah, we're just enjoying each other's company and yeah. How about you?
Yeah, because when we met po, I mean, yeah, nung nag-start na yung series, hindi po talaga kami magka-eksena. Never po kami nagtatagpo. Magtatagpo lang kami pag interviews or, di ba, MediaCon or events or mall shows. But we've never really had time to really get to know each other and spend time. And now that we're doing the series, and now we're doing book 6, dito lang po kami talaga nagsimula yung ano ba, tandem namin. So, it's been great and it's going really, really well. And I'm just glad that there's so much trust and safety with each other.
May ano pa ba? May mas iko-close pa kayo?
Gano'n ka-close? Charin. Nilapit.
Yeah. I mean, we'll see. Kasi as of the moment, we're really focused on this partnership, doing this job. Because we want nothing but success for not just for Oye, but for the whole university series. So, eventually, we'll, you know, sasabay naman lahat ng mga bagay-bagay. Basta ngayon, nag-enjoy kami and we're very much focused on doing our jobs and being there for each other. Kasi ang bigat ng libro, and importante na nararamdaman namin na nandyan kami para sa isa't isa all the time.